endocrine system regulates your hormones, energy levels, metabolism, and many other important functions in your body. In control of it all is your thyroid gland. The American Thyroid Association warns that thyroid problems affect over 20 million Americans, and 80% of those people are women. A thyroid imbalance can cause a lack of energy, unexplained weight gain, dry skin, hair, and nails, even mood swings and irritability. Thyroid health needs to be at the top of everyone's radar. Complete nutrition is an effective way to support your thyroid. Two nutrients in particular, iodine and selenium, help the thyroid produce important hormones and function properly. Without enough, your well-being will suffer. Don't allow incomplete nutrition to affect your thyroid. The Thyroid Health Kit is complete thyroid nutrition. Because low energy is the #1 complaint from people who have a sluggish thyroid, we've rounded out the Thyroid Health Kit with vegan-safe B12, a rich liquid formula that supplies the most active forms of vitamin B12 for maximum energy. Our selenium extract, produced from organic mustard seeds for optimum bioavailability. The Thyroid Health Kit also includes etoxidine nascent iodine, a glycerin base that's easily absorbed. The Thyroid Health Kit is specialized nutrition for complete thyroid health. It comes with a full 180-day money-back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose, and you don't have to do it alone. Our trained customer service team is here for support. We've helped thousands of people just like you feel energized, more focused and alert, experience more restful sleep, have better-looking hair and skin, enjoy peaceful mental balance, and just feel better. It's time to feel like your old self and take back control of your life with the Thyroid Health Kit, specialized nutrition for a healthy thyroid.